In this video, you will learn about the words to and enough. This topic is a part of determiners. To means more than what is needed. Enough means sufficient or there is no need for more. To and enough are used to add meaning to nouns, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, there is enough food for all of us. Or, he is too old to play with kids. Let us understand the 4 ways in which to can be used in a sentence. Place to before adjectives to state that something is more than needed. For example, Arya is too worried about her marks. Or, it is too hot to wear this jacket. Place to before adverbs to state that someone is doing something that is more than necessary. For example, he is driving too slowly. Or, you are speaking too rudely to your mother. Place too much before uncountable nouns to state that there is more than needed. For example, there is too much salt in the dish. Or, we have too much time in hand to complete this report. Place too many before plurals of countable nouns like toys and dogs to say that there is more than needed. For example, Arya has too many toys to play with. Or, there are too many dogs on the street. Let us understand the 4 ways how enough is used in a sentence. Place enough after an adjective to describe the noun. For example, my friend was not smart enough to get a job. Or, you have to be rich enough to own a car. Place enough after an adverb when using it to describe an action. For example, the driver drove slowly enough for us to read the hoardings. Or, the police examined the scene closely enough to find the clue. Place enough before a noun to state that there is as much or as many as required. For example, there is enough milk for all of us. Or, do you have enough money to come home? Now you know how to use to and enough in sentences.